It's now, what, 4:20, and that means we've been in the car for almost 6 hours. And my kneecap hurts very badly. And we're all getting very cramped. But it's okay, because it's worth it. Scenery isn't as interesting right now. But that's okay. We'll hit New Jersey pretty soon. Right?
Yeah.
And we're going to hit Pocono even sooner, right?
Yeah.
And that's utterly fascinating. Ooh! Well, that was actually a cool scene, but I don't think you caught that, so. This is my lump of crap. As you can see, it's quite large. But, anyway. This is usually how I've been riding. I lay down like this. It's so utterly comfortable. That way I can stretch my leg out a little bit. That is my foot.